there was a call-up as well for Connor Roberts, the Cymru Prem TNS keeper. Talk us through that decision.
No, I was. I read an article from him that he was retiring. And honestly, I felt he spoke really well in the article. I've liked him from afar, of course, as well. You can see his presence, and even watching TNS in Europe as well this year. But we had David Harrington pull out, and of course we could have gone numerous options, but I just felt like if he's going to retire, I believe he deserves this opportunity, and what a nice way to be able to give someone the opportunity of being involved with an internet, even if it's a training camp, that he's given a lot of service to Welsh football and a positive impact as well. It's the least, and I feel quite proud for doing it. It makes me feel happy, if I'm being honest. And even speaking to him on the phone before it, like, look, would you like to come down? It was like it was the right thing to do, and I've loved him being here as well. Like, what a brilliant person as well, and the help of someone who's had a different pathway to a lot of the players. Like especially our senior players, but even young players as well. What the messages he's been able to give them, and the voice and the words of advice he's been able to give them as well has been really powerful. I couldn't be any happier with him, I have to be honest.